update le losing one kicken Igbagbanjar ndorogodo update le losing one kicken number we dey gbe de care with married man they update le losing ya married man kunu dey mesike gbe de care o fa ka po no o chuke po no ya we legun dey gbe de care with any buru married man you are the devil you came to steal and to destroy you just need gbe de care you need destroy that home imagine that married man afa ko di buru but you want faka married man kishi get gbe de care with if they care what them even young people when they gbe de care talk lots of married man even when we make come ya single akesisa agwa me ya single do DM the update ya single akesisa you should get gbe de care with married man ya faka wo ye chuke ya ne dance oya zoni oh my mistake in training I pity you Gbagbando Rogodo sharp on anyano
keep quiet all of them are the same